This is a video review for the Air Turbo LED shower head with power boost technology made by Power Spa. It was pretty easy to install this shower head, no tools needed. In fact, it says that you shouldn't use a tool because they don't want you to over tighten it. Basically all you had to do was unscrew the old shower head off of the shower arm and then just screw this on, hand tightened. It says it has 4 different settings, econo mode, and there's massage, there's a cross between massage and econo mode, and then there's another mode. A few key features of it. First, there's these rubber gasket type things. They say it's easy to clean and clog free. They have the handle here to change the settings. One thing that sets this shower head apart is that it lights up. You can kind of see that there. I'll turn the lights off just so you can see a little bit better. And that's just powered by the power of the water. It has a good spray, has good pressure. It's actually a quieter shower head than the last one we had. One thing that I was expecting was the light show part of it to be a little bit brighter than it is. The reason why I say that is because it seems like they use the lights as a relaxation technique. But the lights don't show up as well as I was expecting it, so honestly I don't really notice it that much, and I don't notice it at all if I'm not facing the shower head, which I typically don't. So the lights are more of a fun thing for when the kids use this shower than a relaxation technique. Overall I give it a 4 out of 5 just because the lights on it aren't what I expected. The pictures online seem to show it a lot more brighter than what it actually does. But functionality wise, as a shower head, it's an awesome shower head, and I really enjoy using this new one.